section just to the south there. That's got to be this driver. Just tuck it in. Oh, Ben getting right out to the wall there as they come to the downhill section. Adam, unreal lead by Ben.
Great line over the balcony, making it work, diving in there. That is an amazing chase from Jimmy.
David absolutely held it up nicely.
Flying over the balcony, Jimmy diving in. Mimicking well, but getting left behind a bit. Josh dipping down the hill, coming over the balcony, leaving, shaking the dust a bit. Showing you the getting left a little bit onto the balcony. Let's see if he can reel it in here and dive in on Jake. Different kind of shape. Nice snappy transition. Great lead. Aaron diving in. See if he can stick him over the balcony. On into the turn, diving in. Really good Patrick here. Excellent chase from Patrick. Aaron, great lead, flying over the balcony. Patrick really good. Patrick here with a solid lead. Nice transition over the hill. Jimmy right with it. See him come over the balcony. Jimmy rally drive. Staying behind.
Patrick a bit lost in behind there. Can he hold on to it? He does, but Adam has produced a massive gap. Love riding that ripple strip. Nice transition as they come through the ball here. This is looking, oh! Patrick right out to the wall. Josh doing his best. ESX battle boys. Oh, over the hill, makes some noise.
Nice transition, come over the hill. Diving down through the balcony. Josh running away with it. Josh kind of runs away with it too on this one.
So Adam in the lead, Jimmy in the chase. Jimmy doing everything he can to catch up then. Palmer.
Oh! Jimmy doing everything he can to keep up. Wow. Adam right with him through the first section, coming down the hill. Adam diving in up the hill. Shoving off. Rumble strip, staying with him. Both putting in the gear. Through this whole. curse strikes again.